In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stickers in Adobe Express. We'll walk through creating a clean, print-ready sticker from start to finish using the Adobe Express Sticker Maker. And by the end, you'll have a transparent PNG you can print at home or send to a professional service. Start by opening the Adobe Express Sticker Maker. This takes you straight into a workspace built for stickers, so you don't have to set up anything complicated. Once you're in, you'll see two easy paths. Pick a template or start from a blank canvas. Templates are great if you want a quick starting point with pre-made shapes and layouts. If you prefer total control, choose a blank canvas and set a custom size that matches how you plan to print. You can work in inches, pixels, or centimeters. If you're printing, think in inches and plan your final sticker size now to avoid resizing later. Now it's time to design. Upload your own images, like a logo or character art, or browse Adobe Express's built-in elements, such as icons and shapes. Drag items onto the canvas and arrange them visually. Keep your artwork high resolution so edges look sharp when printed. Add text for names or taglines, and consider simple shape outlines or a colored stroke around your design to create a tidy border. Use alignment tools to center everything and keep spacing consistent. Aim for strong contrast so your sticker stands out on different surfaces. If your image has a background you don't want, use the Background Remove tool. This isolates your subject and keeps everything else transparent, which is essential for a sticker without a white box around it. After removal, use the Refine, Erase, or Restore options to clean up edges. Many icons and graphics in Express already have transparent backgrounds, so you might not need to remove anything for those. Before exporting, confirm your size. Use the Resize tool to set exact dimensions, like 2 inches by 2 inches, or pick a square or rectangle that matches your needs. If you're printing, setting the final size here helps maintain crisp results and consistent borders. When you're happy, click Download or Publish and choose PNG. In the export settings, make sure transparent background is selected. This preserves the see-through areas and prevents unwanted white boxes when you print. That's it. You now have a sticker design file you can print on sticker paper at home or upload to a printing service. Save your project if you want to make color or size variations later, and enjoy turning your design into real-world stickers.